Hi, if you're looking for a burglar alarm system, guess what? I can help you. My name is Vania. I'm the professional burglar alarm installer for Verisure for the last 4 years, so I have a huge experience. Yeah. So all you have to do is call my number or click in the link below and book your appointment today. Okay? I'll be visiting your home, or if you have a business, your business. Yeah. We do have monitoring calls because we do provide security guard and police response. So please feel free to contact me and book your appointment today. And thank you for considering Verisure.